Hi viewers, welcome to my channel My Talks. It's me Satish. Today's topic is fall colors. Today I'm gonna talk about what is fall colors, what is photosynthesis, what are all the pigments available in tree leaves, and how these fall colors looks in different countries, and our photos and videos which we have taken in last year fall season. So during the winter time, most of the trees will lose their leaves to sustain in critical weather conditions. Before losing the leaves in winter, tree leaves will have amazing changes by changing the colors from green to different colors. That's called fall color. We are all survived by having food every day. In a similar way, trees and plants will have a photosynthesis process to generate the food and for their survivals. Chlorophyll, which will involve in this process of photosynthesis. So it will take the water from the ground, carbon dioxide from the air and energy from the sunlight, and it will have the process of photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll, and it will generate the oxygen and the energy as a sugar. Oxygen it will release back to the atmosphere, and energy which they have produced will be stored in different parts of the tree. Along with this chlorophyll, we have another few more pigments. They are carotenoids, which represents red and brown, xanthophylls, which represents yellow, and anthocyanins, which represents red and purple. Though tree leaves have different color pigments, chlorophyll is covered up all the other pigments in a tree leaf. That is the reason why leaves are in green color. So we'll get into the details of why this plant or trees leaves can be changed into different colors. In summer ends before winter starts, due to lack of water and less sunlight, all trees are facing difficult weather conditions. They are not able to produce energy which they need as part of this photosynthesis. So though these tree leaves are energy factories, its maintainability is become burden for most of the trees. Due to this, trees will start the cannibalization process. That means initially it will transport all the energy through the membranes of trees different parts. There will be a layer called absorption layer which will get formed between leaf stem and the trunk, and here onwards there won't be food transportation from trunk to the leaf, and there won't be energy transformation from leaf to the three different bodies. So due to this, slowly leaves are losing this chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, once it started drying up, the rest of the pigments will start showing into leaves colors. So that's the reason during in autumn season most of the colors will appear in tree leaves, which is amazing experience. If you watch our videos and pictures which we have taken in last year fall season in Tennessee state.
the brightness and the color changes of tree leaves depends on the weather, like more sunset in the daytime and more cool weather in the night time. Not all the trees are losing their leaves in winter season. Long green trees which are not losing the tree leaves every winter, leaves are there with the trees for long more years. The trees which are losing their leaves every year is called deciduous trees. So in this season, few of the deciduous trees start flowering. Though it looks beautiful, the poor kind of pollen will start coming to the air from the tree flowers. Due to this, we'll get skin allergies and eye allergies. So take precautions and use proper medications to not to get into these allergies. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel My Thoughts. This is Sati signing off for today.